Radio Thailand, FM 88.
Public Relations Department of the Royal Thai Government. This is Radio Thailand News.
สวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีค่ะ
Today is Monday, November 1st, 2021, and this is Radio Thailand's Midday News Hour. I'm Krachang with Tajit.
And I'm Nawarat Wong Arya.
Making the national headlines this lunchtime. The Prime Minister approved the holding of activities for Loi Krathong Day, which this year falls on November 19th. Meanwhile, the Minister of Public Health is addressing the worrisome COVID-19 situation in Chiang Mai province and plans to check on the situation in person this week.
Looking at the global scene, leaders of the group of 20 major economies agree on a final statement that urges effective action to limit global warming.
On the business agenda, tourism-related businesses in Chiang Rai are being invited to apply for certification under the SSA and SSA Plus standards ahead of relaxation of COVID-19 restrictions in December.
Our feature, Thailand in Perspective today, is called Announcement of the Princess Sinakarin Award Laureate 2021.
We will now take a look at those top headlines and many more in detail.
National News.